A 71-year-old man in Massachusetts has confessed to shooting and killing his landlord. This happened yesterday morning on Town Farm Road in Barre. Police say Robert Ledger called 911 and said he had just killed another man. Police found the victim shortly afterwards in a parked car with several gunshot wounds to his head and back. Neighbors there are still pretty shaken up over this.
It's scary. It's right next door. You know, anything could happen. It's a terrible thing.
After the shooting, Ledger allegedly went to a neighbor's house with an envelope of money, telling that person this is for the girls. Police believe he was referring to his landlord's granddaughters.